Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my daughter's hair in some jumbo lemonade braids. So if you guys want to see that video, definitely stay tuned. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay y'all, so first thing first, I'm pretty much just parting out the sections, and right now I'm just parting out the front section. Basically will be like the braids that go towards the face. So I'm just kind of parting out like a box section in the front of the hair. Okay guys, so right now I'm pretty much about to part her hair along the back. Basically I'm going to part it across to ear, and that's just going to kind of help me guide, with braiding the hair in the back. So yeah, I'm just pretty much parting the hair to ear to start braiding the back of the hair. Okay guys, so now that I'm done parting the hair from ear to ear, I'm going to just part out a small section along the back, and that part will just go straight across because again we're doing the lemonade braids and all the braids pretty much going to go to one side. So I'm braiding it in the back, and that's going to be my section for my first braid. And again you guys, we are doing the jumbo lemonade braids, so the parts are not going to be small, they are going to be a little big. Okay y'all, so I'm going to be using my edge control by Carol's daughter. I have used this edge control pretty much on most of my videos, and yeah you guys, I'm gonna put that a little bit on her hair, and then I'm going to start braiding it. Now I start braiding her hair first, and then I start adding the fake hair, the braiding hair, into her hair. Now you guys, a lot of people do it this way because it makes the braids look more realistic instead of doing it the old way. So again, all I did was start braiding her hair first, and then I started adding the braiding hair in. And it's kind of hard to explain, especially if you're not a braider, on how to do cornrows, but yeah, that's pretty much how I did it, you guys. Okay, y'all, so this section is going to pretty much start on her side, and again we're going to just start braiding her real hair first and then adding in the braiding hair. And sorry you guys that I kind of cut out the section on how I parted this top section, but I think it's self-explanatory on how I'm pretty much parting her hair. And as I stated, all of it is going to one side because it is the lemonade braids, which I don't know why they call it the lemonade braids. I know Beyonce wore it on her lemonade video, but guys, we've been wearing these type of braids since the 2000s, since the 90s. So I don't know why they calling them the lemonade braids, but whatever, we're going to call them the lemonade braids today. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell, so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely be notified. Okay guys, if you guys notice that my daughter has tissues in her nose throughout the whole video, it's because her allergies is acting up and her nose is running, eyes are leaking, so she pretty much had that tissue in her nose the whole time on the video. Okay guys, so right now we're starting with the front of the hair, and pretty much this is the hair that we're pretty much going to be braiding towards the face. And yeah you guys, so we're just pretty much braiding this hair downward. Again, it's going to be going towards the face. And yeah, I'm pretty much braiding it the same way. I'll start braiding her real hair and then I'll add the hair in as I continue to braid. Hey guys, if you like this video so far, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Okay guys, so this is my last and final braid on the lemonade braids, and once I'm done this, we're going to pretty much oil her scalp and yeah, try to lay everything down. Okay guys, so we're getting ready to oil her scalp. This is my own oil that I make. I do have a video up on my channel to show you how I make my, my hair growth oil. I will link that in the video. And yeah, you guys, so I'm just going to pretty much oil her scalp because her scalp was really dry. And after we're done that, I'm going to take some mousse and I'm going to put it all over her hair to pretty much lay down any hair that is maybe popping up or anything. So I'm going to put that all over her hair, then put a scarf on there and dry, take the blow dryer and pretty much dry it all down. Okay guys, so now that I'm done that, I'm going to take a little edge control and then I'm going to do her edges. And again, you guys, I'm using the edge control by Carol Daughter. Love this edge control because it does not flake up, it does not turn white, it does not do none of that, and I love it. And again, I'll put the link down in the description bar where I purchased this edge control from. Okay guys, so now we're done with her lemonade braids, her jumbo lemonade braids. So definitely let me know down in the description bar what you thought of my daughter's lemonade braids. I thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video.